Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
I have already made that clear. Once all our candidates are declared and once all our candidates are presented on a stage, we will call the candidates because the CM has to come from the candidates only. So we will call the candidates and consult them and decide whether the Congress's CM should be announced before the election or after the elections. We will go by what the candidates say. So there's no reservation about it. We will go by what the candidates who are going to contest on the Congress symbol of hand, they will say. And if they want a candidate announced as CM before the election, we will do so. If they say, no, we will first win and then they will elect a candidate, we will do so. There's nothing secret about it. I've made it very clear. The Central Election Committee has weighed all the pros and cons and has had to take some decisions where we have admitted people leaving another party, in this case the BJP, and one or two members of another party into the Congress party. I don't deny that. In a sense, it dilutes the very hard rule that I laid down the first day, that we will only go by the recommendations of the block committee. But in some constituencies, we don't have a candidate who can win. And many candidates have joined only in the last year or two. In those cases, the CEC is taking a hard look, and I hope they will take a right decision.